2, 1, go.
Hi everybody, it's Annie Naylor again from Arizona Muscle Therapy Center here in Scottsdale. And I'm here to talk to you today with a client of mine on the issue of pregnancy and how to help a woman get through the pregnancy process when they are having issues and then actually getting them ready just prior to when they're going in to have birth. And with me today is my client Casey. Hi Casey.
Hi
Annie. and Casey has been with me through 2 pregnancies. And so I'm going to ask Casey to talk a little bit about that. If you could sort of tell me what was going on with you. It was actually her husband who knew of me, who came to me when he found out that, you know, Casey was suffering with some issues, and she'll go into that, and asked if I could help out. So if you want to talk a little bit about that.
Yeah, so I was having some sciatic pain during my pregnancy, just due to the baby maybe sitting on some nerves and so much discomfort. It was causing me to not be able to walk very easily and keeping me up at night. So my husband referred me to Annie, and she worked out the sciatic pain within 36 hours. Like she had said, the pain had gone away. I'd seen her again for a follow-up, and I was just amazed because I had been taking pain relievers and, you know, so many different things, and her getting deep into the tissue was really what erased the pain for me for the rest of my pregnancy, which was awesome.
Right.
So I came back then a couple of weeks later, once I was full term and ready to deliver, and it was something I had never heard of before, but she said, I want to open up, you know, the pelvic area and relax those muscles and get them ready for delivery. And I was like a little bit skeptical because I was like, well, I mean, but I'm up for anything. And
right. It's interesting, you know, when you're dealing with, you know, women, particularly when it's first baby.
Yeah.
When she came in with me for second baby, she knew exactly what
Yeah.
what we were going to be doing, and she was all for it.
Yeah.
But when women are going through the pregnancy process, of course, you see them growing in many different directions.
Mm-hmm.
And one of the difficulties about that is when they are getting towards term and that baby is turned and it's set and it's ready to go and the hips start to spread, but the muscles are under a lot of tension, a tremendous amount of tension. And so, you know, things are talked about as far as how well their delivery is going to go. And so in Casey's situation, she did so well with the first pregnancy, and she had that baby very quickly.
Mm-hmm.
We got you ready just a few weeks.
Mm-hmm.
You were set to go. Your doctor said you were set to go.
Yep.
And so we worked on you, and I think your first took about 3 minutes.
Yes, it was crazy. I delivered actually the day before my due date, and I went in, and my labor was traditional. You know, it was a bit like a normal pregnancy labor would be, about 12 hours or so. But then when it came time to push, I was ready, and I pushed, and it was like 2 pushes, probably 3.5 minutes. And one of the first things I said to my husband was, "This is Annie. Annie did this to me." So I was so happy that it all went well, and I said, as soon as I'm pregnant again and ready to deliver, I'm going back. And I did the same thing with my second pregnancy.
She did. She did. She absolutely did. And the second baby did the same thing to her. Wanted to sit on her sciatic nerve.
Yep.
And so but the thing is, as soon as she felt that happening, she said to Chance, "Get hold of Annie. I have to get in and see her. Baby's starting to sit on my sciatic."
Mm-hmm.
So she got right in. She saw me. We got that cleared, and then we talked about getting back in to see me to get her ready. I'm working on a gal right now, and I'm actually seeing her more often than I'm seeing you, but she is a high-risk pregnancy.
Oh, okay.
And with migraines, and so we're keeping the migraines gone completely. Wow. So because her doctor won't let her medicate with this pregnancy. But in the situation with Casey, she was very physically fit, and she worked out through her entire pregnancy. And so when it came close to her to have the baby, she came right in. We were able to really work that healthy musculature around her whole pelvic area and get everything really loosened up. And I didn't know she had her second baby, and I came in to the gym one day and she was there, and she turned around and she waved at me and she said, "I pushed 2 times." And we were just hysterical.
High five.
And she was with her girlfriend, and her girlfriend said, "Is that the girl that got you ready to have that baby?"
Yeah.
And she said, "Yeah." She said, "I'll call you when I'm pregnant."
Exactly.
So that was a lot of fun.
Yeah.
But anyway, so that's the real rewarding parts of being able to work on people and being able to have them go through a situation like that. I'm sure that Chance was pretty happy that he didn't see his wife suffering too much while she was having these babies. But anyway, so you can always visit me at www.arizonamuscletherapy.com, or go ahead and visit me at Facebook or at my website. And it's good talking with you.